Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. So how are you guys? I hope you all are fine. So as you know, in the lockdown you might be having really issues of internet at home. So you'll be planning to buy an broadband. So in this videos I'll be doing all that broadband reviews of all the companies. So in every video I'll be doing single broadband reviews. So please be tuned and let's start the video. So today in this video we'll be doing Act Fiber broadband review. As you know, the Act Fiber is one of the trusted and most prominent broadband in India, and the service is excellent throughout India. But the plans are a bit costlier when you compare with other broadband providers, as Airtel and Jio and all. They provide a cheap plans, but these people provide a little bit costly, but the service is excellent, I must say. So I'll be talking about the plans of Act Fiber, how much do they give the data total, and what are the offers currently running through this lockdown, and so on all. So I'll be starting out with how many cities do they service. So just let me show you. So as you can see, I'm in the home page of Act Fiber. So when you go to there, you can see broadband plans available in Bengaluru. So I'll be just changing a city and showing you how many cities it is available. So as you know, you can see Ahmedabad, Bengaluru, Chennai, Coimbatore, Delhi, Illuru, Guntur, Hyderabad, Jaipur, that is something Kalkinada, Lucknow, Madurai, Nellore, Rajahmundry, Tirupati, Vijayawada, Visakhapatnam, and Warangal. So these many cities they are currently providing the service. So if you are one of in these cities, you can just contact the Act Fiber people plan, and so you can just install this their broadband. So in this video, I'll be just discussing about some cities only, because the plans are changing always. So you don't know when the plans are same or what. So I'll be taking now Bangalore first. So as you can see, I have selected Bengaluru. So let us see the plans in the Bengaluru. And as you can see, the first plan is the Act Rapid Plus. So you'll be getting around 755 Mbps of speed, and monthly data is around 350 GB plus 1500 GB extra, which they are providing. And when you exhaust these GBs, your speed will be reduced to around 512 kbps, which is half a MB, which is not great, yeah. But you can have what to do. These people are providing so much less speed after the post FUP. And you can see the monthly rentals is around 960 rupees. So this is the Act Rapid Plus. So let us look to the next plan. This is Act Blaze, as you can see, and they're providing 100 Mbps speed with 450 GB plus 1500 GB of data. And when you exhaust these GBs, you will be getting around 1 Mbps speed, and the price is around 1060 rupees. And next is the Act Storm. As you can see, the speed is around 150 Mbps, which is good, and they are providing 650 GB plus 1500 GB of data. And when you exhaust them, it will be around 1 Mbps of speed, and the amount is around 1160 rupees. And next plan, as you can see, it is Act Lightning, and the speed is 200 Mbps, and the data you're gonna get is around 800 GB plus 1500 GB total data. And after exhausting these data will be left out with just 1 Mbps of speed, and which is unlimited, as you know. And the cost is 1400. And let us look to the next plan. In total they have 9 plans, I must say you. So that's good. You can just choose whichever plan you want according to your budget. So next plan is Act Incredible. So as you know, the speed is 250 Mbps, and the data you're gonna get is 1000 plus 1500 GB, which is really huge. And after the exhausting of data, the speed will be reduced to 2 Mbps. It is a little bit less, but they should be providing more. But what we can do, we can't do anything. And the cost is 1999, which is 2000. And next plan is the Act Essential. The speed is 250 Mbps only, but you will be getting higher GB of data. As you can see, 1500 GB of data plus 1500 GB of data, so that's good. And the speed is after the exhausting of data. The speed will be just 2 mbps, and the cost is 1000 extra from the previous plan, that is 3000. So next plan is Act Advanced. Again the speed is same, 250 mbps, but the GB they are giving higher. As you can see, 2000 plus 1500 GB of data. And post FUP the speed will be just 2 mbps, and the price again it is extra, which is around 4000 rupees. And last two plans are this one, Act Progress, which is same speed they're giving, 250 mbps. I don't know what these people are doing there. They should be giving more the higher speed, but what to do. As you can see, they're providing a little bit higher of data than previous plan. As you can see, it is 2500 GB of data plus 1500 GB of data, and post FUP will be just 2 mbps, and the price is 5000. And the last plan, which is a mega plan, as you can see, Act Giga. So this is 1 gbps. Oh my god. And the data will be getting is just 3500. There's no extra GB of data. And the post FUP, your speed will be reduced drastically to 5 mbps, which is really bad, I must say. And the price is huge, 6000 rupees. So as you can see, these are the plans of Act. I feel the plans are a little bit costlier, not a little bit more costlier than all the other broadband providers. And these plans are actually changing as you change the city. Let me just take Delhi. So as you can see, I'm taking a Delhi. So as you can see, now plans will just change drastically, and in Delhi all plans will be seeing now. So this is the Act Silver promo, which will be providing 100 mbps speed, 500 GB plus 1000 GB of data, and post FFP you'll be just having a half a GB of speed, and the rental is 750 rupees. So as you can see, the plans are changing. I mean, amount is changing. So it depends on your city which plan do they have, and so on. They don't have this 1 giga fiber plan. As you can see, the last speed is around 150 mbps in the Delhi. And just look to the another city also once. Let me take Lucknow. Let us see the Lucknow. The plans are over here. Act Silver 100 mbps, 500 plus 1, just 500. So they are providing just 500 GB of data, and the monthly rental is 750 rupees. So the plans are changing. Here you don't get that extra GB of data, so that's bad. So as you saw, this were the plans. And also I forgot to mention they're providing even Netflix. As you can see, wherever that N is written, they provide a Netflix plans at a lower cost. They don't provide a Netflix plan totally. They just give some cashback and all. As you can see, enjoy the best of entertainment on an incredible network and get up to 350 cashback. So that's, they're gonna give cashback, not total Netflix plan for you. And in the lockdown, if you're getting some messages like free installation and free router, so they are providing some users that this offer. So if you got a message, you can just claim that and be good for you, because they also take some installation charges and all. And but in the lockdown, I guess they are not taking that installation charges. They're providing it for free, and even the router is for free. But they have some terms and conditions. If you're applying only for minimum at least 3 months of the plan, then this offer will be applicable. So they have this terms and conditions. So as you saw, these were some plans of this Act Fiber, but their service is best, I can say, because there's no drop in speed and all. It will be just constant, whichever speed internet speed you just select. But the one thing is that it is costlier than other broadband providers. So this was just a video of Act Fiber, as you know. So if you like the video, please like and subscribe my channel, and I'll be seeing you to the next video. So bye bye.